Hello guys, welcome to the doctor class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Cell the Unit of Life. Every year from this question 2 to 3 question comes in the NEET examination. But before that you have to understand that for the study of plant physiology, for the study of human physiology, for the genetics, or even if you want to study classification of organism, these chapters, the concept of these chapters are very important. So its important is too much high on the basis of conceptual clarity. So let's start some introductory phases and let's talk about some discovery, and later on we will solve some question regarding this. So let's understand the first thing, that the discovery of cell. The discovery of cell is done by scientist Robert Hooke in the year 1665. In the year 1665. So in the year 1665, what Robert Hooke did? Robert Hooke did some experiment on a cork of plant. So he formed the slide of cork and he looked on this slide, and what he found, that there is some closely tight packed box are present. This tightly closed compact boxes were given name as a cell. So how this slide of cork is look like, let's understand. So the appearance of the cork slide was like the honeycomb. The appearance of the cork slide was like a honeycomb, and this honeycomb composed tightly packed boxes, and in the Greek this box are called as a cell. So he gave the name cell for a first time. But what we miss here, that the cork of plant is actually the non-living one. Why? Because it doesn't consist any cell organelle. It doesn't consist cell. So basically this is nothing but the cell wall only. Clear? So it is the discovery of cell wall also. So for the Robert Hooke, you can say in the year 1665 he discovered two things. The one is cell, the first cell, and the second one is the cell wall. Right? So from here we can say that Robert Hooke discovered the first cell as well as the cell wall. But our discovery for a cell is not for a non-living one. We are looking for a living one. So who is the scientist who gives us the idea regarding the living cell? And the scientist known as the Anton von Leeuwenhoek. So Anton von Leeuwenhoek performed experiment in the year 1676 on the pond water. And in pond water he found some microbes. Right, in the pond water he found some microbes, and on the slide what he found, along with some plant cells which are the cell wall only, right, there is the movement of a substance, movement of a tiny particles, and this tiny particles was nothing but the bacterias. Those tiny particles was the bacterias. So he actually discovered the bacterias as well, and the bacterias were moving. That means those bacterias were living. So here in the year 1676, Anton von Leeuwenhoek gave us the discovery for the first living cell as well as for the bacterias as well. So in the year 1676, Anton von Leeuwenhoek discovered the bacteria, and as we know that the bacteria is the kind of microorganism, right, and hence the Anton von Leeuwenhoek is known as the father of microbiology, because all the microbiology is stand for the microbes, and first time microbes was seen by the Anton von Leeuwenhoek, and hence the Anton von Leeuwenhoek is considered as the father of microbiology. So this was all regarding the Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Let's look on the next one, that the discovery of a cell nucleus. So in the year 1831, the Robert Brown. So up to this, what we studied, the discovery of cell, discovery of cell wall. The credit of this too goes to the Robert Hooke, the discovery of living cell, first living cell, the discovery of bacteria goes, or a credit goes to the Anton von Leeuwenhoek, who is the father of microbiology. And afterward, we were discussed about the discovery of nucleus, and the credit goes to the Robert Brown. Afterward, there were formation of cell theories occur, and which we will discuss in the later sessions. So first let's understand and let's see some questions, right? So the first question what we see here, that the figure of cork cell as seen by Robert Hooke were published in the book, right? So I think we missed this, and the answer is Micrographia. Micrographia is the book in which the article was published, in which Robert Hooke gives the idea related the cell. So the discovery of cell was published in the book Micrographia. So right, we are ending this lecture up to here, and we will see the cell theory in the next lecture. So if you like our initiative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Jai Hind.